Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Success Point Official. In our channel we learn about the basic concepts of maths. So if you are new here and you have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe it and press the bell icon to see more updates. So in our previous class we have discussed about profit, loss, simple interest, compound interest. If you have not seen that video, link is in description box, you can check it there. Okay guys, so today's topic is direct and inverse proportion. Let's start with it. Okay guys, in our day-to-day life we are using direct variation. Do you know that? So what is direct variation? Direct means equally and vary means change. When two quantities are changing equally, that is all about direct variation. If one is getting high, then second also getting high. If one is getting low, second also getting low. Okay now? Now let's take an example and understand it. Okay, so the cost of, let's suppose, cost of one notebook is of rupees 10. Okay na? Basic example. Cost of one notebook is rupees 10. Then what is the cost of two notebook guys? Cost of two notebooks. Is it getting high or low? Yes, I know everyone know about this answer. So one notebook costs 10 rupees. So two notebook costs 20 rupees. So yes, rupees 20. Is it now guys? I want to check cost of three notebooks. What it will be? Cost of three notebooks. Yes guys, so what is the cost of three notebooks? Yes, correct. Cost of three notebook is rupees 30. Yes na? So what we have learned from this, if cost of one notebook, that is of rupees 10. Now if we will take two notebooks, so two notebooks cost will become more. Yes na? So two notebooks cost is rupees 20. The same with three. Three notebooks cost 30. That means if one value is getting high, the second value also will get high. One increase with the other. Okay na? And if we will check from the down, like three notebook costs 30 rupees. Then what is the cost of one notebook? It is getting low. Okay na? So if one value is getting low, then second value is also decreased. Is getting low. Okay na? So this is all about direct variation. If one quantity is getting high, second also high. If one is getting low, then second also low. Is it guys? I hope you are getting it. So let's understand using this example only. Now we have some values. Let's make a table and understand it. Okay guys? Okay guys, now let's check the table. Number of notebooks and cost of notebooks. Okay na? So we have two quantities. So number of notebooks 1. And what is the cost of one notebook? Rupees 10. Yes na? Now let's check the cost of two notebooks. So two notebooks cost will become 20. It will become high. Yes na? And the cost of three notebooks, that is rupees 30. Is it or not guys? So if one value is getting high, second also will become high. 1 to 2 and 10 to 20. Yes na? So what is the difference in between? 1 to 2. That means if 1 we will multiply with 2. We will get 1 2s are 2. Then 10 into 2, 20. So that means it increased equally. Okay na? Now let's check the second one. 1 to 3. If we are multiplying 1 with 3, then are we getting the same answer with the second one also? 10 into 3, 30. Yes, that means it increased equally. Okay na? So the gap between them is equal. That is direct variation. If one is increased, second one is also increased. If one is decreased, second one also decreased. Okay guys, now let's assign the variables to it. So which variable you want to assign? Yes guys, variables. What is variable? In our previous class, we have discussed about algebraic expression. If you have not seen that video, link is in description box. You can check it there, where we have discussed about all the variables, constant, everything. Okay guys, let's assign the variables to it. Which variable you want to assign? Number of notebooks. Any letter that you like. Let's take B. B2 represents number of notebooks. Okay. And C. C2 represents cost of notebooks. Okay guys. Now what we have to do? As we can see that the gap between them is equal. If one we will multiply with 2, then second also will increase same. Yes na? So now let's find out the ratio. What is ratio guys? Ratio means whenever we are comparing two quantities, that's called ratio. How to compare the quantities? We have to write it in the fraction form. So if you have not seen our fraction video, the link is in description box. You can check it there. Okay. So let's write it in the ratio form. So that is, we can write 1 by 10, 1 and 10. Two quantities are there na? Number of books 1. Cost of notebook 10 rupees. So 1 by 10 is equals to 2 by 20. So are they equal? We don't know. We have to check it. So that's why we are not using any sign here. Okay guys. So 2 by 20. 2 by 20. Is it? And the third one, 3 upon 30. 3 upon 30. Okay guys. Now what we have to do? We have to write it in the lowest form. Is it? Let's solve it now. 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. So we are getting now, we are getting 1 by 10. Already we have 1 by 10. Second term also we are getting 1 by 10. Let's check the third one. 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30. So yes guys, we are getting all ratios equal. Okay na? Or we can say fractions equal. So what we have learned from it, if we will write B by C, we are representing number of books by B and the cost of notebooks is C. So we can write B by C and all the ratios are equal. So we can write 1 by 10 equals to 1 by 10 equals to 1 by 10. That means all the ratios will be equal. In which concept guys? Direct variation. Okay now, you just have to check the question. If one value is increased, second is increased or not. If it is increased, that means it is a case of direct variation. And if it is decreased, second one also decreased, then also it's a case of direct variation. Okay guys, I hope you are getting it. So we have to check the ratio. Ratio always will be equal in this case. So we can say B upon C. And what we can see from here? What is this? All values are same and fixed. Yes na? So these are constants. What we can say guys? Constant. Constant means the values are fixed. These values are fixed. We can write B upon C equals to constant. Okay. So generally for constants we are using a symbol K. So let's write down. B upon C equals to K. What it shows guys? We are comparing two quantities. One is number of notebooks and cost of books. Okay now? So if we will compare these two, everywhere we are getting equal values. What is K? K is a constant value. It is fixed. As you can see, 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10. Is it na guys? Whether is increased or not? If both are increased equally or both are decreased equally, that means it is a case of direct variation. If one is increased and second is decreased, we will discuss further. Okay guys? Now let's check second time. Okay guys, so let's take one more example to understand it. Okay? Now which example you want to take? Pencil? Okay, let's take an example of pencil. So cost of one pencil is rupees 5. Okay guys, now cost of two pencils. What is the cost of two pencils guys? Yes, come on, I know that you guys can tell the answer. Two pencils cost is Correct. 2 pencils cost is 10 rupees. Is it now? Now if you want to check the value for more, cost of 5 pencils. Yes guys. So what is the cost of 5 pencils? 1 to 2. It is getting more, and 5 to 10. Yes, both sides it is increased. So it's a case of direct variation. Now we have to check 1 to 5. So what should be the answer? Now we don't know about the cost. So we will write x rupees or rupees x. Okay. Now let's check it. How to find out? Let's draw a table and find out. Okay guys, so which concept we are doing? Direct variation. That means if one value is increased, second should also increase now. Let's check it now. So let's write it in the ratio form to confirm our answer. Is it a direct variation or not? Because in exam we don't know na. Is it a direct variation or indirect? Let's write it in the ratio form. 1 by 5, 2 by 10 and 5 by x. 1 by 5 we can't break it further. But 2 by 10 we can write. Yes, we can write it. Okay, now that means ratios are same. Now we have to find the value for the next one. So we can compare these two. How to compare it? Let's do it. 1 by 5, these two are same now. So we can write any one. Equals to 5 upon x. Because x is a missing term here that we need to find out. How to solve these kind of question? We have to perform cross multiplications. How to perform cross multiplication? In our previous class, we have discussed about the fractions. If you have not seen, link is in description box. You can check it there. Okay guys. So let's perform cross multiply. So how to cross multiply it? Down value, denominator value will go up, and this side also denominator value goes up. Okay. So let's multiply. 1 into x. 1 into x, which is equals to 5 into 5. 5 into 5. So 1 into x will become x, and 5 into 5, 25. Yes na guys? So the value of x is 25. Okay? That means 5 pencils cost is rupees 25. Now we are getting our answer. Okay now? So this is the second type. If you will get some missing terms, how to solve it? You just have to write it in the fraction form or ratio form and just cross multiply and solve it. Okay now? I hope you are getting this concept. If you have any doubt, write in the comment box, and if you like the video, do like it. If you feel it's worth of sharing to someone, do share it guys. Share it with all of your friends. Okay? So that everyone will understand the basic concepts of maths. And if you have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe it and press the bell icon to see more updates. Keep practicing. God bless you all. Bye guys. Take care.